Hey guys, this is Sinan. Welcome back to a fresh new daily tech news. You're watching the channel Sinotech. Hope you people are fine and safe. Without wasting much time, let's begin with the tech news. So let's start the tech news with the interesting news. There's a phone named Benko V80s. That phone is mainly focused on privacy. I don't know why this phone even exists on this planet. It does not have a camera. I don't know why is it like that. The picture shown over here is not the original phone. It's just a rendering based phone. It's just an artificially made phone on the base of that thought. Why that phone exists, no one knows, because I don't know. It's maybe for business purpose also. It can maybe for business purpose or some other purpose also. But yeah, without a camera, I don't think so. A phone is, people will not buy it, because people do buy phones for taking mirror selfies and all. Especially Apple, and I don't know, people will buy a phone without camera. I don't know why, in what basis this phone was made. Yeah, a phone exists like this in the planet. I think you people must be knowing it now. The second tech news is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 has been launched officially. It starts from rupees 18,000 and it goes above 18,000 rupees and above. Its key features are FHD plus display, 8MP front camera, rear camera, 5MP megapixel front camera, 7000 mAh battery, 15 watt fast charging, support USB Type-C, 3.5mm audio jack and all. So if you're interested in buying a tab for your business needs or school needs, you'll be able to buy it from Flipkart or Amazon. Yeah, you may go search there and it's officially launched and you'll be able to buy it starting from 18,000, and if you want the above variants and all, you'll go up to 25,000 I guess. The third tech news is from Motorola. Motorola Tab G70 goes up on Flipkart with an 11-inch display, Helio G98T processor. So it's the first tab from Motorola. So if you want it, you can check it on Flipkart. So first tab launched by Motorola. Motorola also is coming to the competition with Samsung, Xiaomi like companies in the tablet market. So good, all the industries are getting into the tablet industry. So yeah, let's see how this performs. Helio G90T processor and 11-inch display. So in the Flipkart, you may be able to check it. The fourth tech news is from Samsung tablet market. Tab S8 prices have been leaked. The S8 starts from Euro 680 to 700. S8 Plus starts from Euro 880 to 900. It will be in that price ranges. S8 Ultra will start from 1040 to 1060. So if you are interested and waiting to buy a tablet from Samsung, that is the S8 is the flagship series. So if you are interested in buying, you can check the prices and be ready for it. It's gonna launch in February. Yeah, after this 22 series. This tech news is also from Microsoft. It's about tablets itself, Microsoft tablets. Surface Pro 8 tablets with 4G LTE connectivity has been, as Microsoft had put the prices upon it. $1,100 for i3, i5 starts at $1,200. It's tablet, not laptops. i7 starts at $1,700. So if you are waiting for a Microsoft tablet, you'll be able to buy it now. So these were the price ranges. Now I have seen is that 3 news covers are from Motorola Tab, Samsung Tab, and now Microsoft Tabs. So tablet industry is growing to extent after this pandemic, because people are in need of tablets, because they are the easy means of professional needs like for school and even job. So tablet industry is growing rapidly. The sixth tech news is from Nubia Red Magic. The Nubia Red Magic gaming phone, the 7th generation. Nubia Red Magic 7 passes by Geekbench with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So it has been listed on the Geekbench with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So a gaming phone from Nubia is to be released soon. So if you are planning to buy a gaming phone, yeah, the Nubia, please wait, and yeah, Nubia 7 is to be released soon. So yeah. The 7th tech news is from Oppo. Oppo A36 has been announced with 5000 mAh battery with Snapdragon 680 processor. So it has the same specifications like Realme 9i, which is yet to be launched. Even Oppo has the same specifications, so it's fairly for competition. Yeah. So now it depends on you people needs which you want, is Oppo or Realme. So yeah, A36 has been announced by Oppo officially. The 8th tech news is from Samsung. Samsung postponed the release of Exynos 2200 processor. Yeah, it was to be conducted in January. Before that, they said they would conduct it on December batch, but yeah, they didn't conduct it. It is mainly due to chip shortage. All the companies are facing. Even Apple itself is facing chip shortage, or because of the production rate has not been good during this pandemic times. So that is the reason Samsung is also postponing their launched details. But Samsung has officially confirmed it by saying that there is no issues with Exynos 2200 actually. People say that there are issues with Exynos 2200, that is why they are delaying the launch. But no, that's not the reason. Samsung had tweeted it officially that there is no shortage or any problem in the Exynos 2200, and it will be officially released with the Galaxy S22 series. 9 tech news is from Instagram. Instagram has changed this feature in the profile grid. Now, first and all, the profile grid was like when you upload a photo or you post a photo, the latest photos will come in the first place, will be shown in the first place. Now you can change it. Now you can drag and drop any particular photo from the upload section and put it in the first place or whichever place you want. You can drag and rearrange it. So that's a good move by Instagram actually. I like that feature because it depends on people. Maybe want to change the first photo to a particular photo for their first impression. So that's a good feature by Instagram. The 10th tech news is from Realme. Realme 9 Pro specifications have been leaked out. The last tech news I had talked about Realme 9i specifications had been leaked out. Now back to back, now Realme 9 Pro specifications also have been leaked. So I think Realme is officially leaking it. It supports 5G. Realme 9 Pro will be a 5G phone, 64 megapixel main quad camera, 6 to 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, Android 12 out of the box, 3.5 headphone jack. Color, there will be 2 options, Aurora green and Sunrise blue. So yeah, you can see the specifications over here. So these are the Realme 9 Pro leaks. The 11th tech news is from Microsoft. Microsoft Windows 11 is finally getting a new volume indicator. So first the volume indicator was like this, now it's changing to like this. I think it's a good feature, or not a good feature, good theme actually, because from Windows 10 it was the same old one. Now it has gotten a new look and it suits to Windows 11 also. So yeah, another change in Windows. So the 12th tech news is from Apple actually. The iPhone 14 Pro's leak has come out again. Last tech news had showed you an iPhone 14 Pro leak as a pill-shaped camera. And now the leak has changed. They say Apple's new iPhone 14 Pro will be this type, eye shape actually. You can see that pill and one dot, so it looks like eye. So I don't know why Apple did this. I think the notch was better than this. Why is Apple doing like this? Make it a punch hole. What's there with Apple? I don't know. Maybe they are not able to fix the face recognition with it. Then it's better it was with notch. Until they find out the better way to put a punch hole, they should put the notch itself, I guess. This looks so much ugly, you know. But the front part looks so much ugly. Yeah, according to the leaks, now this is the thing by patent filed by Apple. So yeah, this is how iPhone 14 Pro is gonna look. So that's it guys, that's for today's tech news. We have covered so much interesting tech news today. So if you have liked the video, press the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell icon also, so you have to get the notification when I upload a video, because you get interesting tech news from my side. So that's it for today. See you guys later. Bye.